Did you know Las Vegas has a rat problem? No, not the human kind, the rodent kind. Imagine this. You're cooking Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey is in the oven. Then at 2:00, all the power goes out. No electricity until 9 p.m. What happened? Rats chewed through the transmission lines. True story, 2018. The Animal Foundation, Las Vegas's animal shelter, came up with a brilliant solution. The Working Cat Program. Here's how it works. The shelter traps feral cats. It fixes them and chips them. Then it adopts them out in pairs. We humans have to feed them the same time every day in the same place and are responsible for all health care. But there's no cleaning litter boxes because they stay outside. Oh, they do have a job. They have to catch rats. Here are the 2 working cats I adopted. You keep them in this crate for a month so they get to know the smells and sounds of my neighborhood. Then you release them. Roosevelt here decided he wanted to sample indoor life and comes in through the doggy door. But he hunts rats at night with his buddy Mikey. The Animal Foundation needs money, of course, but it really needs humans to volunteer to take care of these working cats. You provide a home to 2 needy feral cats, and you help get rid of the rats in Las Vegas. Win-win. Ah!